Hello, I'm Alex, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and I'll be running you through how to use our Nursing Progress Notes template. The first step is to open your template. You can do this either from the free PDF download on this page, or from within Carepatron. I'll show you both of these methods now. Once you have downloaded the PDF, it will look something like this on your computer. Click within the interactive text boxes to start typing. Or, to use this template from within Carepatron, open up your patient and select Create Note. Hover over this button in the Draft tab to search the template library. Type in the keyword nursing to add the template, and here it is. Once you have the template open, it's time to write your progress note. There are several different sections in our template, which I'll take you through now. You only have to fill in the patient credentials at the top of the page once per page. The date and time column makes it easy to remember to date your entries. Don't forget that the time is important in progress notes as well, as a patient might have several entries into their notes in a single day. The progress note column is for your entry to the progress notes. There are many acronyms for taking progress notes such as SOAP or FDAR, and our template is simple enough to allow you to take notes in your preferred style. Finally, add your initials or signature so others know who wrote your note. When your progress note template is complete, it might look something like this. Here you can see an example progress note for a patient recovering post-leg injury. Once your progress note is complete, store the digital or physical version of the progress notes template securely. Carepatron is a great place to do this, and you can access this template and many others right from within Carepatron. Happy note-taking!